Teacher Flower, are you hungry?
Yes, Teacher Bunny, I'm starving.
What do you want to eat today?
I want to eat a sandwich.
How about we make a sandwich?
Really?
Yes. Sure, let's go.
Let's go!
First thing first, the ingredient. Teacher Flower, do you know what is this?
Yes.
These are the ingredients. First, bread, 2 boiled eggs, salad, sauce, and mayo. These are the ingredients.
Now, let's making a sandwich. Teacher Flower, can you help me?
Sure.
First, we need 2 boiled eggs and smash it.
Smash it. Wow, it's fun. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Smash the eggs. Okay, what's next, teacher?
Okay, next, we put a mayo.
Mayo. Mayo. How much?
As you want.
As I want?
Yes.
Put it all. That's it. Whoa, so yummy. Can I eat now, teacher?
Not yet, it's still not finished. It's almost done.
But I'm hungry.
Okay. Next,
Next,
we put the egg mayo on the bread.
on the bread.
Yes.
On the bread. Just put it.
Yes, let's put it.
Okay. Both of them? Okay. Okay, then.
And then put salad.
Put salad.
And then last, put the sauce.
Put the sauce. That's it.
Now we are done.